Hi, welcome to the University of Notre Dame Campus Crossroads project. I'm James Kramick, one of the project managers out here, and something that we have going on that I find very interesting is the installation of the precast concrete devising wall panels. Come on, let's go on site and check it out. So a lot of people have been asking me about the precast wall panels that we have here on site. They're an 11-inch thick unit that consists of 3.5 inches of concrete at each face that sandwiches a layer of a 4-inch insulation in between. Typical size is 27 feet wide by 12 feet tall, although they do vary. Average weight, 25,000 pounds to 30,000 pounds. Between the east and west buildings, we have a total of 217 pieces that will eventually be flown into place. These are actually formed, reinforced, and cast in an indoor plant in Indianapolis, Indiana. The erector here on site gives them the order for erection the next day. The truck drivers drive here in the morning, drop them all off on the trailer beds, and then we have an on-site truck driver that shuttles them from the staging area where we're at here out to the crane pad on site to the hook, and they're erected in place. So to answer the question of why we use the precast demising wall system here at the Campus Crossroads project, it came down to constructability. With the tight space in between the existing stadium and the new buildings, it was really the best method to build that barrier wall that we needed for the project in the given amount of time constraint and physical spatial limitations that we had here on site. So here you can see one of the 4 large cranes that we have on site used to set the precast panels. They're feeding one down through the 2 buildings right now, so let's go inside and take a look. You can see how tight the space is that they have to feed these 30,000 pound panels through. It's a very delicate maneuver, requires a lot of attention and a full-time serving crew to oversee it. Now we're on the east side where you can see the full system installed and in place, and it's positioned relative to the new building and the existing stadium. It really gives a good perspective of the tight space that the panel system is installed in. So we're here on level 3 of the east building, and here you can see where the first lift of the wall panel system meets the second lift, and the connection where they have the embed plates welded to this plate, and then this angle has reinforcing that extends out and is cast in this structural slab, kind of ties and laterally supports this wall system with the new building. So here we have a typical 3/4 inch joint between the panels. Between the east and west building, there's a total of approximately 2 miles of these joints that need to be sealed in order to maintain the 2-hour fire rated system and also the thermal barrier that the building requires. Appreciate you taking the time to walk with me and learn more about the precast demising wall system. I look forward to seeing you out here next time at the Crossroads.